No. Those superfoods are a scam. They're ripping you off by giving you microscopic nutrients. You don't want that. Look, both of these superfoods claim to be loaded with nutrients. But which one's the cheap stuff and which one's the real deal? Let's find out. See, this one claims to have 80 amazing superfoods. But when you take a closer look, this might as well be grass clippings. It's nothing but a dusting of trace amounts of basic grains, like celery, broccoli, and alfalfa grass. Oh, plus tons of sugar to hide the flavor. Oh, and it still tastes like absolute grass. Disgusting. But Organifi is the world's best-selling, best-tasting 11 real superfood blend with amounts that you can actually feel. Wow, and it tastes so good with less than 1 gram of sugar. Who would have thought? Organifi green juice is made with organic herbs, powerful medicinal ingredients, and amazing superfoods. Organic ingredients like moringa, chlorella, matcha, spirulina, beetroot, and ashwagandha. But not just any ashwagandha. We're talking a clinical dose of full-spectrum ashwagandha shown to reduce the hormone cortisol, which is the stress hormone, by 27%. Organifi green juice has antioxidants, adaptogens, and anti-inflammatories that have been shown to reset, re-nourish, and alkalize your body. Look, what you want are real superfoods that make you feel super every single day. Stop falling for sugary packed grass clippings and get the superfoods that you actually deserve and that you can feel.
Now you can get a 60-day supply. That's right, 6-0. 60 whole days of feeling rejuvenated, lowering your stress, living your best life. And it's 100% risk-free. Also, right now, just for new customers, get our complete health starter kit when you order. With this kit, you'll be able to perfectly blend your green juice in seconds with the electric mixer and stay healthy while you're on the go with green juice travel packs. For a limited time, you'll also get this reusable glass shaker bottle for free, so you can take your healthy habit anywhere you go. Start your healthy journey now. Order your 60-day supply of Organifi green juice and get your starter kit free, plus a glass shaker bottle free. Get yours now at drinkgreenjuice.com.